Another beautiful day back down here at the ramp. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And today we are visiting Point Marina. Our crew is making their approach. It's been a difficult day. The current's been running pretty solid today. A lot of our captains are struggling. It's moving left to right across our screen, and everybody's just been battling it. Our crew here looks pretty set to go. We've got somebody on the lines. We've got at least one fender out. Let's see how Cap does as he tries to make his approach, and he is making the more difficult approach where the wind's going to try and push him off the dock. Long line toss, my man lands it. Whoa, Cap, he slammed it in reverse and pulled himself right out. Look out, guys, somebody behind you. And man, that was a close one, but now Cap, he's got the issue. He's going forward. Is he going to hit the boat in front of him now? They're going to give the push off. Ooh, but that stern's going to kick around. He's going to hit it. Oh, and there we go. Hits the other boat. And the struggle is real down here at Black Point as our Cap has just lost it. I mean, they had the line on the dock. At that point in time, he probably should have just left it in neutral. And maybe he was going for neutral and slammed it in reverse on accident. But, man, he reversed hard. Almost backed into a boat. Winds up hitting the boat across from him on the other dock. And now we're going to have to reset this whole thing up and try it all again. I am not sure what they're doing, guys. So they came in on a second attempt. Cap did that key move of leaving the helm. And now we've got no captain on the boat. This is the captain with the lines. So the crew looks a little confused as to what they're supposed to do now. Oh, man. We were filming another boat. We probably should have been on this one. Cap had already proven that this was probably the target today, but it is what it is. But yeah, nah, he got off, man, left the helm, and nobody on the boat seems really to know what to do. So Cap's kind of letting them drift, and I think he's kind of got onto something here a little bit. It looks like he's going to let it drift into the next dock. So yep, we're going to make the change, and Cap jumped in the water, but he's just going to let his boat drift over. Man, this is why you don't leave the helm, though, guys. If you leave that helm and get off the dock, even with a line in hand, things can go wrong. And they're just getting fortunate here that the current was pushing in the right direction to be able to get them onto the next dock. So our crew, I mean, they're right on the dock, but they're backing out again. And our guy on the dock is not happy about it. I'm assuming he's with this crew. This is actually their second attempt. But the frustration is setting in from him that they've not been able to get it landed correctly. Gonna go ahead and armchair quarterback this one and try and get his buddy on. But with the wind and the current, yeah, you're gonna have to reset this all the way. I mean, you're gonna have to pull back out, get yourself moving in the right direction. Right now, you're moving toward the concrete wall, and that's not gonna help you at all, man. And here we go, coming at it again. He's gonna pass the dock. Our guy's got his arms crossed on the dock. He is super frustrated with it for some reason. I mean, everybody on the boat seems calm and collected, though. We got lines ready, fenders ready. I mean, they're good to go. Cap just needs to reverse this. And he's gone a little too far forward again. There you go, bro. Put it into reverse, come back, and make your turn. You can still hear the guy on the dock yelling at him. Oh, man. He's going to miss again. They're not even close. Our guy on the dock is done with it. One more attempt. You're gonna have to give it some throttle, bro. And we've missed it again. And our crew is working their way in. Don't go too far down there, bro. You're gonna miss your shot. He's making the turn, but I think he's made it a little late. Let's see how this fares. Gonna have to come back against the current just a little bit. And there we go. Yep, nope. He hit the brakes. He's gonna lose it. Wifey's going for the pole. Cap gives the brake check, and that's gonna be all it takes for this boat to start to drift away. Wifey had some lines in her hand. She might have been able to go for the toss. So Cap's gonna try again. But this is a tough spot once again with that brake check. The wind and currents grabbed him. He's probably either gonna have to fully reset or go for a different dock, and it looks like we're gonna go for a different dock. They should be good on this one. Just letting the wind and current do its job. Oh, he brake checked it again. And there we go. He's going to try and stop it before they slide off. And they should be good to roll. Our crew's coming in a little bit hot and at a little bit of a funky angle as well. Kind of got the wheel turned in the wrong direction also. I mean, on this one, you really want to go forward and steer the stern into the dock. And instead, he's going to go reverse. And when you do that, you're going to lose the bow. So he's going to try and bring the stern in, but be careful, bro. You're going to hit on the stern. And it looks like he might just clear. So he's going to have to reset this one up. They're only going to do the partial reset, but he's going to get his angle back to right and start turning into the dock again. Let's see if he can hit it this time. And Cap's leaving the helm. Goes for the toss, the miss. Second miss. And there we go, third time's the charm on this one. He'll get it over, but the boat's gonna kick out on him. Now they've got to get a stern line ready and try and bring this thing back around. Well, Cap's just gonna try and muscle it in and see if they can kick it out. And they should be good to go from here. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.